Hello! Today, I want to tell you about my first time cooking for my family. This memory is very special to me. At that time, I did not know much about cooking. Usually, my mother cooked all the meals. She cooked every day for our family. The food was always delicious. I often watched her cook, but I never tried cooking by myself. One day, something different happened. My mother was very tired after work. She came home late in the afternoon. She looked exhausted. I suddenly thought, maybe I should cook dinner today. At first, I felt nervous. I did not know what to cook. I also worried that the food would taste bad, but I still wanted to try. So I went to the kitchen and opened the refrigerator. I looked carefully at the food inside. There were eggs, vegetables, chicken, and rice. I decided to cook something simple: rice, fried eggs, and vegetables. It sounded easy, but for me, it was a big challenge. First, I washed the rice. I put it into the rice cooker. Then I started preparing the vegetables. I washed them slowly and carefully. Next, I tried cutting the vegetables. At first, my pieces were too big. Then some were too small. Everything looked messy. I laughed a little at myself. I thought, cooking is harder than I imagined. After that, I prepared the eggs. When I turned on the stove, I felt nervous again. The oil in the pan became hot very quickly. I carefully cracked the eggs into the pan. Suddenly, the oil made loud sounds. I stepped back immediately. I felt surprised and scared, but slowly, I became more comfortable. The eggs started to smell very good. That made me feel excited. Then I cooked the vegetables. I added a little salt and garlic. The kitchen smelled wonderful. At that moment, I started enjoying cooking. I realized something. Cooking is not only about food. It is also about care and love. While cooking, I thought about my family. I wanted them to enjoy the meal. After some time, the food was finally ready. I looked at the table proudly. The dishes were simple, but I made them myself. Soon, my family came to the table. My mother looked surprised. She asked, "You cooked all of this?" I smiled and said, "Yes." My father also looked surprised. Everyone sat down together. I felt very nervous. I worried about the taste. Then my family started eating. For a few seconds, nobody said anything. I became even more nervous. Then my mother smiled. She said, "It's delicious." I felt so happy. My father nodded and said, "Very good for a first try." I laughed with relief. The food was not perfect. The vegetables were a little salty. The eggs were slightly burned, but my family still enjoyed the meal. That dinner became a very warm memory for me. After dinner, my mother thanked me. She said, "You worked hard today." Those simple words meant a lot to me. That night, I thought deeply about the experience. Before that day, I did not understand how much work cooking takes. Cooking needs time, energy, and patience. I suddenly appreciated my mother more. She cooked for us every day, even when she was tired. I realized that small daily things are actually very meaningful. After that experience, I started helping in the kitchen more often. Sometimes I washed vegetables. Sometimes I cooked rice. Little by little, I improved my cooking skills. No, I still enjoy simple cooking. I am not a great cook, but cooking makes me feel relaxed and happy, especially when I cook for people I care about, because food can bring people together. A simple meal can create warm memories. Even today, my family sometimes talks about that dinner. We laugh when we remember my first cooking experience. And every time I remember it, I smile too. Before I finish my story, I want to say something to you. Do not be afraid to try new things. Even if you are not good at first, you can still learn. And sometimes simple actions made with love become special memories. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.